made it a tad easy. Their father, Kronos, feared the day his children would inherit the earth. So what did he do? Anyone? Anyone?
He ate them.
Thank you, Mrs. Dodds. But one child, Zeus, escaped and devised a plan to rescue his brothers and sisters. He tricked Kronos. Into eating a rock. And what did Kronos do? Anyone? Any student?
He vomited them up.
Didn't really get the story. At least it wasn't boring as I feared. But is it me, or is Greek mythology not to be fair? I didn't want to pay attention. No one decided taking notes. But my focus is in question, and the guy didn't just they called it Bah! Dude, what was that? Nothing. My best friend was acting strange, at which he so excelled. They got expelled. Why do you have peanut butter in your beer? Ask Nancy Bobafett. She's a monster. Not literally. I don't think. She threw a peanut butter sandwich at you. She threw a peanut butter sandwich at you. I stopped it with my head. Rover, you are a good friend. Dude, I'm your only friend.
Percy Jackson!
Something was up. Hermione can yell. Take it on dark.
Mr. Jackson! Please see me by the Sphinx.
Is this about Nancy Bobafett? If she told me that you hated her, sorry. It's because I tried to stop her from putting fire in the first grade.
I'm all about you, Percy Jackson.
Really? That's dedicated for a substitute teacher.
Kicked out of 5 schools in 6 years. One might question your heritage.
Don't talk about your mom.
And your father? That's right! You don't know who he is.
You know that anyways. There's something wrong with your
But oh, Percy!
Mr. Potter, what am I supposed to do with the pen? Sure. Whoa. Mr. Runner? Mrs. Dodds? I didn't know what just had happened. Was it all a crazy dream? My teacher was a creature, then she vanished in the ether with a demon scream. The next thing that I knew, I was where detention was held. I got expelled.
I'm sorry, Percy, but the headmaster stands firm in his decision. You were supposed to stay with the group.
But it wasn't my fault. It was Mrs. Dodds. She lured me away from the group. She attacked me, and you saw it.
Get away.
What? Percy, we've never had a teacher named Mrs. Dodds.
Perhaps it's for the best. This wasn't the place for you. It was only a matter of time before
I got kicked out.
that's not what I was going to say.
They got in trouble just like everyone else.
No, but that is to say, I can only accept the best from you, Percy. Someday you'll understand why. I'm truly sorry.
Yeah. Sorry to let you down. Maybe he's right. We never exactly fit in this school. You're not exactly normal. Exactly! I knew that. I'll see you on the line. So if you think you are half-blood, better get headed to the exits now. 'Cause ultimately you're lying, better run it, 'cause you're right, 'cause you're monsters now. Stick around and maybe you'll learn from me. This ain't no disease, this is odyssey. So hear me out, if you're so confused.
The headmaster called me
About the art?
about the field trip.
You mad?
Well, I'm not happy. What happened, Percy?
Sorry, Mom.
You know what? It's all right. We'll find you another school. Again.
I'm not trying to be a bad kid on purpose.
I know. How would you like to take a trip? Just the two of us.
I'd be okay with smelling paint.
Sally!
I will deal with your stepfather.
Where's my beef dip? You trying to starve me here?
Gabe! There you are. Dear, how would you like a weekend without me and Percy in your way?
Who's gonna cook for me? Who's gonna clean?
My mom is not your servant.
No. She likes doing that stuff.
I'll give you a back rub, a foot rub.
Both feet. And I ain't paying for any of that fancy tuition that he wasted. Come out of the money you've been hiding from me. Yeah, I know that. What are you saving up for?
Creative writing night classes.
Then I'm doing you a favor. That's a waste of money. Besides, if he was my kid...
He's not!
Lucky for him. Bean dip.
Jesus, that guy ever heard of showers? Like, seriously, Mom. You don't have to put up with him. He's all like that.
It's complicated, Percy.
You always say that. Why?
Because the truth might mean saying goodbye to you for good.